Don't know what kind of GUI you need to add to your game? Or do you not understand what GUI is? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, I'm MrWex1k, and today I'm going to show you all types of GUIs in Roblox Studio in 3 minutes. So the first and the most popular GUI type is Screen GUI. UI stands for User Interface, and GUI is also a graphical user interface. This means that everything you see in the game is a GUI, such as buttons, text, and videos. But in Roblox Studio there are many types of GUI, so the GUI of your screen is called the Screen GUI. You can put many things on your screen, such as menus, buttons, images, etc. Here is an example of a simple start menu. I'm making a simple start menu with an image and a text label, so it isn't very nice, but you will still be able to see that I'm changing the style of the main frame and adding a big button. Also I'm adding a clear image label and putting the text label next to it to describe it. Then I'm adding a text box where you as a user can write something. Usually it will be used when you need to log into Instagram or your Roblox account. The second type of GUI, and a very cool one, is the Billboard GUI. The Billboard GUI is also one of the most popular, as many people have seen it in many different Roblox games. You may have seen a large billboard in your town. It is very large and displays different images or text. The Billboard GUI is also like that, but I would say that the Billboard GUI is a cross between a hologram and a billboard. Very often you can see this type of GUI in an RPG game, where you can see the health of another NPC or character. Or when someone makes a hologram or something like that. There is also an example of how to use it in your game. As you can see, I made the health bar for the part, but it does not work because I have to script it. Wait until the end of the video and I will tell you where you can see how it works. The third and also most useful type of GUI in Roblox Studio is the Surface GUI. As you can hear, there is the word surface in the name, so if you think about it and use your logic, you will know that the Surface GUI can be placed on a surface. With this thing you can make a real banner or billboard, computer, leader stats board, etc. Very often the developer will place some images on a surface, and for this operation he or she will need the Surface GUI. I have also made a good example of how to use this GUI. I'm creating a part where I will place the Surface GUI. Remember, the Surface GUI and the Billboard GUI can only be placed on or in a part in the workspace, but the Screen GUI can be placed in a special folder called Starter GUI. So there is a big difference between these types. Some can be placed on the surface or aligned to a part, and some can be used for the user screen interface. Then I create a text and add a button to close it. Finally, I script the button and it works. Some clever people will see that there is a fourth type of GUI, and they will be right. The fourth and last type is an Add GUI, but I'm not going to explain how it works because not many people use it and I can't really show you an example. The Add GUI is only used to earn more Robux from Roblox ads. So there are 3 types of GUI you can use in your game. The first is Screen GUI for the graphical user interface. The second is the Billboard GUI for holograms and bars, and the third is the Surface GUI for the graphical user interface on the surface. I hope you have learnt a lot about the types of graphical user interfaces in Roblox Studio. This is MrWex1k, and have a nice day.